Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of business. Forget the laptop. We're talking about 15 incredible business machines you can snag right now on Amazon. Please subscribe to my channel. You can order the machine for a discount, go to my description, all under $5,000. Let's get started. First up, we have the unsung hero of the office supply world, the staple making machine. Coming in at a cool $1,000 to $2,000, this machine is your gateway to consistent, high-demand business. Plug it in, load the staple wire, and adjust the settings to churn out staples of all shapes and sizes. Partner with local office supply stores, or build your own e-commerce empire, selling directly to customers online. Produce durable, jam-free staples, and watch those bulk orders roll in. Next up is a surefire way to sweeten your bank account, the frozen yogurt machine. Ranging from $1,500 to $4,500, this machine is your golden ticket to capitalizing on everyone's favorite summertime treat. Offer a tantalizing array of flavors and a colorful assortment of toppings to attract customers. Imagine setting up shop at events, farmers markets, or even opening your own cozy dessert haven. Moving on to a business idea that's as comfy as it is profitable, the sock making machine. This bad boy, priced between $3,000 and $5,000, is your weapon of choice in the booming world of custom socks. Create eye-catching designs catering to sports fanatics, fashion-forward trendsetters, or anyone who loves unique footwear. Online platforms like Etsy are a goldmine for handmade goods, or partner with local boutiques and retail stores. Let's talk about a machine that's all about restoring and revitalizing, the laser rust remover. This powerful tool, at around $500, is your ticket to success in various industries. Plug it in, adjust the settings, and watch the rust disappear. Offering mobile rust removal services taps into a wide customer base. Let's turn up the heat with a machine that's in high demand across countless industries, the laser welding machine. Priced at $3,650, this machine is your key to unlocking a world of opportunity in construction, automotive repair, and custom metalwork projects. Attach the welding electrodes, adjust the current, and you're ready to fuse metal with precision and speed. Offer your services to small businesses, construction crews, or even set up a mobile repair service. Get ready to satisfy those carb cravings with a machine that's a game changer for food entrepreneurs. The automatic roti maker. Priced at an affordable $1,000, this machine is your secret weapon to churning out perfect fluffy rotis with incredible speed and consistency. Whether you're catering events, running a food truck, or supplying local restaurants, this machine will have you rolling in dough, both literally and figuratively. Get ready to elevate your e-commerce game with the 360-degree rotating photography machine. Prices range from $800 to $1,500, perfect for showcasing products with stunning visuals. Install the machine, place your product, and capture photos as it spins. Offer your services to sellers on Amazon, Etsy, or Shopify. Calling all food entrepreneurs. Get ready to meet your match with a machine that's about to revolutionize your culinary game, the meatball forming machine. Priced between $500 and $3,000, this machine is your secret weapon to producing perfectly shaped, mouth-watering meatballs with incredible efficiency. Load your delicious meat mixture, adjust the settings to your desired meatball size, and watch as the machine effortlessly shapes and dispenses meatballs with precision. Whether you're supplying restaurants, catering events, or packaging your own line of gourmet meatballs, this machine is a game changer. Calling all coffee aficionados. Awaken your entrepreneurial spirit with the coffee roaster machine. Prices range from $1,500 to $3,500. Plug it in, select your roast profile, and let it work its magic. The coffee industry is a multi-billion-dollar giant with room for passionate entrepreneurs. Pedal your way to success with an eco-friendly business idea. Electric bike assembly. With electric bikes gaining popularity, the demand for assembly and repair services is skyrocketing. Start with an electric bike assembly kit, priced between $1,000 and $2,500. The kit includes all components and a detailed manual. Sell fully assembled bikes or specialize in customization services. Get ready to strike a pose with a business idea that's always a hit at parties, weddings, and corporate events. The photo booth. With a setup cost from $1,500 to $4,500, you can create a fun and interactive experience. You'll need a high-quality camera, a backdrop system, studio lighting, a printer for instant prints, and some fun props. Reach out to wedding planners, event organizers, and party rental companies, offering your services as a premium photo booth provider. Get ready to blast away the competition with a business idea that's in high demand and requires minimal overhead: pressure washing. With a pressure washer priced between $1,000 and $3,500, you can offer a valuable service that restores surfaces to their former glory. Simply connect the pressure washer to a water source, add fuel if you're using a gas-powered model, and you're ready to start cleaning. Focus on residential and commercial clients in your local area. Get ready to enter the exciting world of 3D printing with a machine that's revolutionizing manufacturing, design, and countless other industries. With 3D printers becoming increasingly affordable, starting at around $500, you can turn your creative ideas into physical objects. Install the necessary software, connect the printer to your computer, and calibrate it to ensure accurate printing. Sell your custom 3D printed designs online through platforms like Etsy or Shopify. Unleash your inner artist and tap into the booming world of custom rugs with the fun and fast tufting gun. Priced around $500, it's your gateway to stunning rugs that add warmth and luxury to any space. Load your yarn, adjust settings, and start tufting your design. Sell your creations online and showcase your craftsmanship. Get ready to take your woodworking skills to the next level with a machine that's revolutionizing the way we create intricate designs and custom projects: the CNC router. With prices ranging from $2,000 to $4,500, this machine is your gateway to precision cutting, carving, and engraving. Connect the router to your computer, install the necessary software, and calibrate the machine to ensure accurate cutting. Offer your services to woodworking shops, designers, contractors, and even directly to consumers looking for custom-made wood products. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more money-making tips and business ideas. Let us know in the comments which machine you're most excited about. And don't forget to check out the description for links to all the machines featured in the video. See you in the next video.